In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix metal not clipping. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and the first thing is you need to double check what the keybind is in order to begin clipping on metal. So if you go ahead and open up metal, then you select on library, then you'll see this option that says clip right over here. And by the way, make sure you have your game open as well. So let's say, for example, that you're trying to clip Minecraft and it's not working, then you will see something like this. But of course, it could be any other game. It could be Minecraft, but you want to take note over here where it says clip, and you want to make sure that you are pressing the correct keybind. So as you're able to tell, for us, it is F8. So if we were to do like F7, for example, that is not going to work. It needs to be F8. And if that's not the issue for you, then what could be happening is that you're using another software that has like a hotkey, and that hotkey is also occupying F8. So in that instance, you're able to go ahead and change it to a key that you are actually not using. So it is 100% up to you. You're able to go ahead and change it from there. So you want to change it to a key that you know you're able to go ahead and use, and you know that no other software is using as well. Now, you also need to make sure that you do have your game running for at least 60 seconds in order for this to work. So please have your game on standby right over here, and then you should be good to go. You're able to go ahead and play like you normally would. And another reason why this could be happening is that you don't have enough storage on your device. So please double check that you have storage, and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.